Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology. News is Helsing and Systematic. Join forces to deliver sovereign European AI drone swarms. Helsing and Systematic have announced a partnership to provide Europe with sovereign AI-powered swarm capabilities integrated with existing C2 systems and processes. The agreement was signed on the 10th of September at the DSEI Defense Exhibition in London. By combining expertise, the companies aim to strengthen Europe's digital defense industrial base with quicker decision-making, advanced targeting, and precision mass strike capabilities. The partnership is intended to help militaries build capacity in this area and apply lessons from Ukraine. The collaboration will integrate Helsing's AI-powered defense platforms with the Systematic Citaware suite of C4ISR command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, already used by more than 50 nations. This will enable customers to be drone-ready and expand deployment of autonomous sensors and effectors in swarm operations. The technology will accelerate data exchange between drones such as ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platforms, and Helsing's HX-2 strike drone already deployed in Ukraine. Citaware users will be able to carry out tasks including developing target lists, creating plans, tasking strike assets, and deconflicting airspace at unprecedented speed. Data from uncrewed systems will support missions ranging from target nomination to battle damage assessment. Combined with HX-2 strike capabilities, the system provides commanders with an end-to-end F3 EAD process: find, fix, finish, exploit, analyze, and disseminate. Helsing's co-founder and co-CEO, Gunbert Scherf, says, "This partnership brings together two entrepreneurial and sovereign European technology companies, Systematic, the leader in interoperable battle management systems, and Helsing at the forefront of AI-enabled reconnaissance and strike. We share a mission and an ambition to intelligently network our forces at the speed the threat situation demands. What wins wars is not individual systems, but the ability to connect them and to iterate at the speed of relevance. Together, we will deliver exactly that for Europe's defense." Systematic's chairman and founder of Systematic, Michael Holm, says, "Systematic has always been at the forefront of data delivery for military operations, with Helsing emerging as one of the major European players in AI and new technologies. As the AI age is increasing how we can use data, partnerships such as this help our users to get the most out of their systems and the other platforms that support them. As Europe continues to invest in its own defense technological and industrial base, we are helping to improve European sovereignty, while also providing our allies and partners with advanced data solutions." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 15.